Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Richard, and in this video it's going to be all about introducing the CH Products yoke that I use to fly X-plane with. So here is a picture of the yoke. It's a great yoke. When I finally figured out how well this thing performs, I sort of quit using the joystick, but I still use joystick for some airplanes. But you can see it has a lot of functions, up to 26 buttons and levers and stuff. And so this is how I use it right here. So the yoke has an x-axis, which is, let's see, that's just turning it left or right. It's number one here, where it goes left, right, and up and down. And the paddles give you the yaw. So the x-axis turns left or right. The y-axis pitches up and down. You've got a throttle. And listen carefully here. I have switched 3 and 4 because I believe that the mixture control needs to be next to the throttle, because not every airplane has a um, pitch control. Like the Cirrus Jet doesn't have pitch control, and I prefer the mixture next to the throttle, and you can do that, and so I did. Um, the other buttons and stuff, I'll go through those. So I got the black lever is the throttle. The red lever, you can pop these red thing and blue things off and put them back on. So the red lever sitting here, and the blue lever sitting here, and then you just tell what lever is which. The red lever is the air mixture. The blue lever is a prop pitch for the airplanes that have it. Obviously, jet engines don't have that. The rudder pads, 5. There's one on each side. Control the yaw axis, left or right. The hat switch, number 6 over here, is 8 positions, but I have found that I only use 4 because getting the hat switch halfway between up and right is tricky. So I just abandoned the idea, and I only use 4 of these 8 positions, and they are for viewing forward, viewing back. The back position is full panel. Left is the primary flight display. Right is the secondary flight display. And so I've only used 4 of those. The other one, number 7 over here, is a 4-position switch, and I use that for the control trim, up, down, left, right, normal trim that an airplane needs. Number 8 is a button I use for CWS, stands for control wheel steering mode. It's an autopilot function that you'll see a lot about in later videos. The right button is the normal brakes. The rocker switch over here, number 10, is the chase view. Number 11 is the landing view. I'll show you what that actually looks like here. So here is the chase view, and on the other side of the rocker switch is my landing view. My hat position forward this is my forward view for just normal flying while I'm in the air, but I like to have a takeoff and landing view. This is both for takeoff and landing, and as I'm landing, I switch to make sure my flare is going well, and then switch back. Okay, so these are the rocker switches. The left and right rocker switch. The left rocker on the left side is the heading bug moves. The left rocker, number 17, right here. These two move the heading bug up and down. Here you got 12 and 13 is the gear is up or down, and 14 is toggle the flaps one notch up or down. And the vertical roller is 18 or 19, and I have found that it doesn't help to have number 20 to activate anything, because if I want to activate the vertical speed control, I'll do that um, with a function key on my keypad. Um, but it's nice to be able to roll this vertical thing up and down to change your vertical speed, either lower it to 0, go up to 2,000, whatever you want. And then the whole horizontal, best thing I found to use for it is just a pan left or right. So I don't have to find the pan button if I need it. And there's nothing in the, if I push that button, there's nothing happens. The red square, there's a red square on the left, there's a red square on the right, and in the middle there's a round button, and I've decided to make the round button toggle the map. And by the way, this 3-position knob in the middle does not work. Don't know why. I haven't researched if you can make it work or not. But so far I have talked to a few people that fly Max, and they say, no, it doesn't work. Okay, so that's okay. I got more things. I got plenty of other things that I could use if I wanted to. So that's uh, uh, the buttons for the yoke. I'll actually push the one button here. There's the map, and then you just come up here and find where you are, and if you want to dial in a frequency here, you can choose the ILS and navigate and tune your nav aids. And then you can actually, I won't click it with my mouse, I'll just click it off with the button. Okay, so that is everything I know about this yoke. I've been using it for several months now, and it's, to me, a lot better for flying the Cirrus Jet. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.